In this video, I'm going to show you two things. The first thing I think is the most important. Well, it could be seen either way, but in my opinion, it's probably the thing you want to learn most, right? And that's how you can make over $900 just by promoting a free book as an affiliate. And if you have no idea what any of that stuff I just said means, that's totally fine. In this video, I'm going to explain it all step by step. And the second thing, which also could be more important, depends which way you're looking at it, this is how you can actually use these same books to level up your marketing skills 10x, 20x, 100x, and why I think they're the best books to read and learn from if you're just starting out or if you're trying to build up a business. So stay tuned. Hey, Thomas Garrett's here. Thanks for tuning in. So what we do here is we focus 100% on helping you make money online with affiliate marketing. So if that's the type of content you're interested in, definitely consider going down below and smashing that subscribe button for me. I'd really appreciate it. And make sure after you hit subscribe, hit that little bell so you get notified every time I upload. Now, like I said in this video, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how you can make money online just by promoting a simple book. And these aren't just any books, okay? You can make over $900 by promoting these books. And how that works is they add on upsells, okay? So I'm going to go into it a little deeper, but right now I'm just going to tell you what these books are because I'm sure you're curious, right? So I got one of them near me. This is .com Secrets. And this is by the creator of ClickFunnels, Russel Brunson. Okay, so .com Secrets is the first book he wrote, and the second book is Expert Secrets. I don't actually have a copy of that one for the hard book, so for me, what was more valuable was actually getting the audiobook. I got .com Secrets when I was first starting out, and I didn't know much about this, and there was actually a way to get the audiobook after you bought the hardcover, so that was nice. And what I do is I listen to those on the way to work every single day. I'm not kidding you. For over a year, I've been listening to it every single day. And that's literally 45 minutes there to an hour and the same back. So, and I'm learning stuff in these books every single day, even though I continually listen to them. And with .com Secrets, it's more of like, it says the underground playbook for growing your company online, right? And what it really goes into depth on in .com Secrets is like the guidelines, right? The funnel, the value ladder, all of this stuff that probably sounds like nonsense if you're just starting out, but it's very important when you're first starting an online business to know like, oh, okay, so this is going to be my front end offer, like the free book, and then you're going to have an upsell and then another upsell and then all this extra stuff. Before you make an online business, you're not just going to be like, I'm just going to do this, that, throw it all together and hope it works. Like you got to plan this stuff out, and that's what that is. It's an underground playbook. Expert Secrets now, a lot of people say it's like the prequel, like it should have been first, and that's up to you. I would suggest reading .com Secrets first if you're just starting out. However, if you know a little bit more, maybe read Expert Secrets first. It's totally up to you. I definitely suggest getting them both. I mean, they're free and you just pay shipping. And I'm going to show you the exact funnel for them in a second here, but I just kind of wanted to explain what exactly these books are. And for Expert Secrets, it's like the underground playbook for creating a mass movement of people that will pay you for your advice. So it's basically taking something you're already interested in and you have a passion for and creating an expert business. So basically like creating a YouTube channel and creating a culture. That's what they call it. It's like a culture, right? But it's basically how you only need to have 1,000 true fans to make 100,000 a year, right? So it just goes way more in depth about, again, like the guidelines for what you need to do and then how you can create the perfect webinar and so much stuff. And he just lays it out step by step by step. So you just follow it along and then you insert each thing into what he explains for your own business. So it's very, very powerful stuff. However, if you're not into learning, that's totally fine because you can promote these books. And I would suggest actually reading them and learning before you do this because it's a lot harder to like, say if you're going to make a YouTube video kind of like this one, but more so like a review on them. You want to know, I mean, you could just do the research and look at what other people are saying, but you would want to know like what it's about. And especially because there's a ton of valuable information in these books. So anyways, before I get too much more into this stuff, let's just hop into my computer and I'll show you the actual funnels that you can use to promote these. Okay, welcome to my computer. So this is the inside of ClickFunnels, and how you get to the actual affiliate products to promote. You go up to the right and you go to affiliates. Okay, so once you click on that, you'll come to a page like this, and you can see right here, .com Secrets book and Expert Secrets book. So you click affiliate tools, get my links, and I already opened them up. Okay, so this is the Expert Secrets affiliate program, and this is where you actually get your actual affiliate links. So right here, you would select the link. You could do your affiliate link, 3 free chapters, free book offer, Expert Secrets opt-in page. I would do the free book offer. Okay, so you click that, and then this is a little more advanced. I wouldn't worry about it if you're just starting out, but if you're promoting it on like different platforms or like you have different ads, you want to know which ads or which platforms the clicks are coming from. So don't worry about this again if you're just starting out. I don't want to like put too much stuff on you. But if you didn't know this, this is a very, very powerful thing you can do. Okay, so right here they have example Facebook. So what it does, let's say you're promoting it on YouTube, right? And then let's say video 1 or whatever. So then what that does is it puts it in your custom link. So right here, you could see right there, sub equals YouTube, and that's just your sub ID 1, and then sub 2 equals video 1. Okay, so that's how you know where, because then it will have a different affiliate link for each one. So that's just a little extra tip. So then right here, it shows you get 40% commission. That's on every product on ClickFunnels, except maybe special offers they have. But basically, it's 40% commissions on everything. So then it shows you what's actually in the funnel. So the front end offer is Expert Secrets, of course. So the front end offer, typically you want it to be free or very, very cheap. I mean, you're better off just going with a free giveaway or a free plus shipping offer. And that's what they do here. It's free, and all they have to do is cover the shipping cost. Okay, so then on the order page, you'll have an order bump. And that's just like right before you click the checkout button, there will be a little bump, and it's just a check thing. And it tells you for this, it's you get the black box for whatever it is, $37. And then, so there's typically only one order bump, but on this they have 2. So they have order bump number 2, and then it's just storytelling secrets, $37. So then the audio books that's $47, and that's the first OTO. That's the one-time offer or an upsell. So then after that, they have, so this is actually new, the Expert Evolution. They used to have traffic secrets, and I honestly don't even know what this is, to be honest with you, but it's their next one-time offer, and it's $197, and then that's the earnings you get. So then the last one, that's the thank you page, but it's a webinar, basically. It's Russel Brunson telling them about Funnel Builder Secrets. And what Funnel Builder Secrets is, it's like a course, but it's also, you get all these bonuses. And the lower, the $19.97 one, they have 3 levels, $19.97, $29.97, I think $59.97. So the first one is 6 months free of the highest ClickFunnels account. It's $297 for the Edison suite. So that's 6 months of $300, basically. That's $1,800 already. And then you get a year free of funnel scripts, which is like $497 for a year. And that's like, you basically fill out these questionnaires and you get all of your copy written for you for like webinar scripts, for like video sales letter scripts, your headlines, your email copy, everything you could think of. You fill out this short little questionnaire and they pop out hundreds and thousands of headlines or scripts for an entire video. It's amazing. It's totally worth it. And then you get a bunch of other stuff, but basically you pay that $19.97 and everything's included. Plus you get the course, traffic secrets, that's all included. So I'm guessing that's why they changed that from that, because now it's included. I don't actually know what that is. You could do some research on that. But regardless, that's the funnel that everyone's going to go through if you're promoting it. So if someone was to buy everything in the funnel, that's how you can make $927. Obviously, everyone's not going to do that, but it's very possible. Okay. So then they have your affiliate tools right here. And this is like banner ads, Facebook posts, everything. They give you so much stuff because they want you to sell, because they're making money as well. And it's free promotion for them. So it's in their best interest for you to sell as well, and obviously in yours. So then they give like sample email copy and stuff like that. It just helps if you want to send people emails to follow up with them. and it's just super, super helpful. They have banner ads, they have all this stuff, large banner ads, Facebook ads, create your own banners, everything, right? So it's super, super helpful. So that's that. And then the .com Secrets book is basically the same. So see, this is where they have traffic secrets. Maybe I had them mixed up. But anyways, it's the same outline basically, pretty much. So it's all this, and then it's a little bit more. You get $967. So it's like the same stuff, and they have all the sample swipe copy, all this stuff. They have the banner ad. All right, so that was the first part of me showing you how to actually promote those. And if you want to just get the books and learn from them, I would definitely suggest doing that if you're not interested in making money quite yet and you just want to learn more about making your online business and doing all that. The 2 books will be in my description. It'll be the second and third link in the description. So if you're interested in learning a little bit more about like affiliate marketing, I'll link up above in the card to a video I did on what is affiliate marketing. It'll teach you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing and give you a little more insight into how that works. And then at the end of the video in the end screen, I usually link to a video or something like that, but I just made these new playlists, and it's 2 playlists. One of the playlists is on all my affiliate marketing videos and like how to affiliate marketing, how to make more money with affiliate marketing. And then the other playlist is all of my easy to follow ClickFunnels tutorials. So those will be linked in the end card. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button. So thank you for watching, and until next time.